This is Christina Campbell sitting down with experts at the Mind, Mood, and Microbes 2023 conference to get answers on the gut-brain axis.
That's a good point. The vast majority, vast majority of microorganisms that we would encounter in nature are going to be harmless. And I think we just have to approach it from that perspective, is that the chances are high that we will gain benefit, and extremely low that we would be harmed. I mean, there are clear examples of things that maybe we don't want to do. Drinking, unfiltered water from potentially contaminated sources, probably not a good idea. There's for Giardia, for example, getting known pathogens is an example of where we could get undesirable exposures, but I would say these are very rare compared to exposures that we get from just being in nature and exploring nature.
Yeah.